All right, sixth graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 13 version B. It says, to get into shape, Tanya began jogging every morning. She keeps track of how many miles she jogs throughout the week. The chart shows the information she recorded for the first 4 weeks. All right, so in week 1, she jogged 3 miles. In week 2, she jogged 6 miles. In week 3, she jogged 9 miles. And in week 4, she jogged 12 miles. If the pattern continues, how many miles will Tanya jog during the 5th week? Okay, so we have these weeks. And we have the miles jogged. So in week 1, she jogged 3 miles. In week 2, she jogged 6 miles. In week 3, she jogged 9 miles. In week 4, she jogged 12 miles. And their question is, if the pattern continues in week 5, how many miles will she jog? All right. So what we want to do when we're interpreting tables, you want to look and see, is there a connection across the table? How do I get from 1 to 3? Well, 1 times 3 is 3. Let's see if that continues with this second week. How do I get from 2 to 6? Oh, 2 times 3 is 6. Well, that's kind of nice. How do I get from 3 to 9? 3 times 3 is 9. How do I get from 4 to 12? 4 times 3 is 12. So what do I need to do with my 5 to figure out how many miles I'll jog? Oh, 5 times 3 is 15. So in that 5th week, they'll have jogged 15 miles. Some of you may have looked down the table for a connection, and you can do that only because it goes in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you could go down the table. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. And the whole point is repeatedly adding 3 every time really means we're multiplying by 3. Multiplication is just repeated addition. All right, I hope that helped.